Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant stuck on loading screen. This tutorial will be as quick as possible. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So first thing you can try to do is go ahead to your task manager, open it up, and you want to close any applications related to Valorant. So that would be Riot Client and also Valorant itself. You want to just end the task. Now once you will do that and relaunch the game and it didn't fix your problem, you want to go on search, write down Valorant, and right click on it, open file location. Again on Valorant itself, open file location. Once you will be redirected to this page, you want to click at the top on the path, right games, and find Valorant. Now once you will find that, you want to open this up, go to live, then shooter game, binaries, Win64, and you want to scroll down until you will find Valorant Win64 shipping.exe file. You want to go to properties on this file, go to compatibility, and you want to disable full screen optimizations, click apply and OK. Now, if that didn't fix the problem and the problem still persists, you want to just uncheck this one and check run this program as administrator, click apply and OK. Now, if that still didn't fix the problem, you want to go at the top, as you can see, live, the folder live. You want to click on it and you will see here manifest two files, these ones. You want to go ahead and just delete them. Once you will relaunch the game, these will open up, these will pop up here again. So if you will try to delete them, that should fix your problem. If that still didn't fix the problem, you want to go ahead, go to services on the search bar, open up services and find a VGC file and go to properties. You want to make sure that startup type is automatic and the service is running. If not, just click start. Now, if that's that, now you can go ahead and try another thing. Go to run, open it up and write down percentage local app data percentage. Click OK. Now you want to find the Valorant folder and you want to go ahead and delete it, just like so. Now, you can also go ahead and open Valorant, go to the settings at the top here. On the settings, you want to choose video and you want to go ahead on display mode. You want to try out a windowed mode. Maybe you are now on full screen, and if you would choose windowed mode, you can go ahead and try that. Maybe that would fix your problem. Let's exit this game. Now, if none of these fix your issue, you want to go to your installed applications, open up, search for Vanguard, and just uninstall Vanguard. Once you will relaunch the game, this will install itself again. Now you want to go, if the problem still persists, you want to go to virus and threat protection. After that, you want to scroll down until you will see managed settings. On managed settings, then scroll down until you will see exclusions, and you just want to go ahead and add exclusions like Valorant itself right there. So to add an exclusion, you want to click right there, folder, and you just want to find Riot Games, for example, and Valorant folder, select it and add it here. If that will not fix the problem, you can just remove it after that. Now, this may also be the issue for related to your internet. So you want to go to your settings. On settings, you want to choose network and internet. Scroll down until you will see advanced network settings. Open it up. Find your Wi-Fi or Ethernet, whichever you're using. Click this arrow and click more adapter options. Go ahead to IPv4. And use the following DNS server addresses. Just go ahead and write down Google's 888 and 8844. Click OK. If that didn't fix the problem, you want to go ahead and just network reset and reset your internet. If that will not fix the problem, the last option would be to just uninstall Valorant, just like so, and install it again. If this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.